Coming in at number 5 is the holystone foldable drone. If you're looking for a drone that can fly high and capture aerial footage, this is the way to go. The foldable drone is equipped with a high-definition 720-pixel camera, which means it can be used to record your flights and make them look more professional. With its foldable design, the drone can be stored easily in a backpack or suitcase when not in use. It also comes with headless mode, low-voltage alarm, and one key return features that ensure safety while flying. This holystone foldable GPS drone is a great drone for those who are looking for something that's easy to fly, but can still be used for professional applications. It has a maximum flight time of about 15 minutes at an average speed of 10 meters per second, and it comes with a 7-inch monitor so you can see exactly what the camera sees. The drone features GPS and altitude hold functions, so you'll never have trouble keeping track of where it is. It has 3 different speed modes: low, medium, and high speed. These modes allow you to fly your drone in different kinds of weather conditions without having to worry about damage from flying outside its normal operating range. The drone also has an emergency stop button, which can be used when something goes wrong while flying or landing. This means that if you're having trouble controlling the aircraft, or if there's some sort of issue with its motors or other parts, then pressing this button will cause them all to stop working immediately, which can help prevent any serious damage being done in case something goes wrong while using this device. It's a great drone for beginners, with auto return and altitude hold functions to help you avoid crashes. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures that it stays stable in the air, so you can focus on learning how to fly and capturing great videos. Another great feature is the low-power alarm that lets you know when your battery is running low, so you don't risk losing control over your drone before bringing it back home safely. It is a great choice for anyone who wants a drone that's easy to fly and has all the features you'd want in an entry-level drone.